So, hello, my name is Zain Lakhani, and today we're going to find the x and y intercepts of a graph with the equation. So, the equation we have for question number 1 is 3x plus 4y equals 6. So, the first thing we want to do when we have this, we're going to try finding the x-intercept. Since we're finding both, first we're going to find the x-intercept. You can find whichever one you want first, but I usually choose the x-intercept. So, what we want to do to find the x-intercept is we want to substitute 0 for the y value. So we're going to do 3x, I'll show you what I mean right here, plus 4, and we're going to substitute 0. So we're going to go 0. So 3x plus 4 times 0 equals 6. Okay? So now what we're going to do is 4 times 0 is 0. So basically, this is gone. You can basically just x that out and just write the equation again. 3x equals 6. Now, this is pretty simple math, so the answer would be x equals 2. So your x-intercept is x equals 2. X equals 2. But to make it more simple, to make it in a proper form, your answer should be x equals 2, 0. You want to write it in that type of form. So that's your x-intercept. So now we have to find our y-intercept. So for our y-intercept, we're going to do the same thing, 3x plus 4y equals 6. But instead of substituting 0 for the y value, we're going to substitute 0 for the x value. So we're going to write 3 times 0 plus 4y equals 6. So now 3 times 0 is 0, so that's basically nothing. 4y equals 6. So now what we do is, now we know that 4 is not divisible by 6. So we'll divide by 4. So it would be y equals 6 over 4. But we can simplify this more. We know that 6 can be divided by 2 and 4 can be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So your y-intercept would be 3 over 2. And to write it in the proper form, y equals 0, 3 over 2. So those are your x and y intercepts. So now that you understood the last part, let's just do the same thing again, just another question. So instead of 3x plus 4y equals 6, we're doing 3x plus 4y equals 24. So just like last time, we're going to start with the x-intercept, and we're going to write 3x plus 4, and we're going to substitute 0, just like the last part, equals 24. Now, 4 times 0 is 0, so basically that's nothing. You don't rewrite that. Some people make the mistake of rewriting that, and that basically just screws up the whole thing. So we want to write again, 3x equals 24. So now, simple, you just want to divide by 3 on both sides, and the x equals 8. So, because 3 times 8 is 24. And so now let's write the x-intercept is 8 and 0. That's your x-intercept. Okay? Now let's do the y-intercept. So instead of substituting 0 for the y, we're going to substitute 0 for the x this time. So we're going to write 3, substitute 0 for the x, plus 4y equals 24. So now 3 times 0 is 0, so we don't have to rewrite that. 4y equals 24. Right? And now we know 4 times 6 is 24, so y equals 6. So now our y-intercept is y equals 0, because that's the x term, 6. So those are your x and y intercepts. That was pretty simple. Please share, subscribe, and like. And please comment on the video and tell me what you liked about the video and what other videos I should make. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.